I'll be showing you how to collect emails really quickly with a pop-up on your Shopify store. To do so, we'll be using a Shopify app called Popup. It's a pretty free, generous plan as well, where you get 1,000 unique visitors per month. So it's great to start out if you're a new Shopify store. It also is excellently reviewed at 4.9 stars with 14,000 5-star reviews. To note, I don't have any affiliation with this app. I'll leave a link for this in the description below, and I'll click install here. If you're comfortable with the permissions, let's click install again. And let's set up an email pop-up so we can start collecting those emails. So note I need to create a test charge here. So it's giving me a free trial on the growth plan. I'm going to switch to the free plan right away, because that's the plan I want to be on. So I'm just going to go and select this free plan. I'm going to downgrade and I'll click activate free plan there. So let's head back and let's go and set this app up. I'm just going to pin this to the left-hand navigation to make it easy to find. What I want to do is head to the pop-up here. To note, you do get quite a few options on how you want to do this, whether it's a smart bar or more. They do have a new AI pop-up generator. So I'm going to test this out here. To note, you do get 3 per hour just to control costs. So I'm going to generate a general occasion pop-up, as I want this to be an overall one collecting emails. So I'll click generate pop-up, and it's checking my website and learning about my brand, creating different color palettes. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand how profitable your store is. It's going to include tons of different metrics, analytics, and charts so you can have a clear understanding of your store's performance, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. It syncs seamlessly with all your favorite ad accounts and many cost of goods sold providers. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. And I'll leave a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing directly. You could also search for it in the Shopify app store and look for the logo of Profit Calc in the top left here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out for yourself. There's a link in the description below. You can see it's generating it here. And since it's a camping store, it's talking about Trouble in Paradise. It's generated me some AI images to use as a banner if I want to use those. I can also select different preset themes here. I'll stick with this light minimalist theme. I'm going to call save and edit pop-up. Let's go edit these step by step. So it looks like I do have to edit some of the content here. I could just say sign up to our email. I do like this just basic email form here. And there is a coupon here as well. You could create a custom coupon. Let's say it's 5% off. Let's change this to 20% off to match our code. We can create this in our store. And so the customer is going to unlock a coupon when they subscribe, which is a great way to incentivize people. Knowing that, I could change the title here, get 20% off your order. Make this an H1 here and bold it. Next, I want to remove this background image. It doesn't really fit with. So if I head to design, then hero layout, I can just remove this to say no hero. So overall, in terms of customization, you can customize the overall design as well as customize the content to your liking. It's going to depend on how you want this pop-up to display. Except for settings, we can say when to show this email pop-up. But I recommend some type of delay here. So let's say after 15 seconds. And you're not going to show it to them for another 7 days. There's also an exit intent feature. So it looks like if someone is going to exit your page, you can offer them this pop-up here so they can sign up for a coupon. We can enable a trigger button so they can reopen this. Probably customize the color to match our theme a little more. We can customize the placement here. You can see the preview on the main section. We also get a schedule, whether to always show it, and if we want it to display on all pages or cap it to certain geolocations. So I'll hit save here for our pop-up, and I want to publish this to my store. And if I click publish, I can just confirm that there. You can also customize the conversion. So after they enter in their email, we could show them a thank you message or even redirect them to a different URL, and they can easily copy their coupon code there. Lastly, we can customize the email that they send after they subscribe, so it could be a welcome email and maybe even show them their coupon code again. I click create email here. I'm just going to call this welcome. Select a template. I'm just going to select this basic template here, click use template, create email, and then I'll hit save. You can also edit the exact contents by clicking edit email here and customizing this to match your theme. But for the sake of speed for this video, let's go and check out this pop-up. So head to pop-ups here. I can see it's currently active. Let's open up our theme section. I'm going to hit customize next to my currently published theme. I want to go to app embeds on the left. I can see pop convert here. So let's go and enable this. So it's going to start loading for our store. And I just saw it pop up there, a new tab. And actually, I just realized it's popping up because I'm trying to exit the page here because we did set that exit intent on. But our pop-up looks to be set up. Let's just hit test@gmail.com, sign up and save. I can see this coupon code here. To note, we'd probably want to match that to an actual coupon code as well. Overall, this concludes the video on how to collect email pop-ups. We used an extremely popular app called PopConvert, and along with pop-ups, there are tons of other features available. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.